Dear students, today we will learn a new chapter from trigonometry unit. The chapter name is transformations. In previous class, we learned about multiple and submultiple angles. In this class, we will learn transformations. In overall units, this is the big unit and this unit gives highest marks than other units. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to learn transformation of product of trigonometric functions into sum, solve related problems. So we know that sine of a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, and cos of a plus b equals to cos a cos b minus sine a sine b, and cos of a minus b equals to cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Sine of a minus b equals to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Sine of a plus b and sine of a minus b, if we add, we will get 2 sine a cos b. Here, product of sines and cosines transformed into sum of trigonometric sines. So this is a transformation. So right side is the product and left side the sum here. So the sum can be transformed into product or product can be transformed into sums. So this is the transformation. For example, 2 sine 60 cos 40 is equals to, we can write as a sine of 60 plus 40 plus sine of 60 minus 40, that equals to sine 100 plus sine 20. And another example, 2 sine 85 into cos 35 equals to, we can write sine 85 plus 35 plus sine of 85 minus 35, that equals to sine 120 plus sine 50 degrees. And subtraction, sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b equals to 2 cos a sine b. See here, both the formulas we wrote, and if we add the left side, we will get the if we subtract the left side terms, we get sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b, and if we subtracted the right side terms, then we get sine a cos b, and in the second formula also sine a cos b get cancelled because we are minusing, subtracting. So here the remaining parts are cos a sine b, and here subtracting means minus of minus plus, so cos a sine b, cos a sine b, cos a sine b, 2 cos a sine b. So product of trigonometric cosine and sine transformed into difference of sines. Difference means subtraction here. For example, 2 cos 80 sine 60 degrees equals to sine of 80 plus 60 minus sine of 80 minus 60, that equals to sine 140 minus sine 20. And another example, 2 cos 125 into sine 35 equals to sine of 125 plus 35 minus sine of 125 minus 35, that equals to sine 160 degrees minus sine 90. Next, if we add cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b, then we will get 2 cos a cos b. So product of trigonometric cosines transformed into sum of cosines. See here, left side cosine terms and right side also we have cosine terms. Example, 2 cos 60 into cos 80 degrees equals to cos of 60 plus 80 plus cos of 60 minus 80, that equals to cos 140 plus cos 20. And another example, 2 cos 85 into cos 25 equals to cos of 85 plus 25 plus cos of 85 minus 25, that equals to cos 110 plus cos 60. So cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b, if we subtracted these two, then from one to another, so we get cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b equals to minus 2 into sin a sin b. Product of sines transformed into difference of trigonometric cosines. Here left side we have cosine terms and right side we have sine terms. Example, minus 2 sine 60 degrees into sine 40 equals to cos 100 minus cos 20 degrees. And another example, minus 2 sine 85 degrees into sine 25 degrees equals to cos 110 minus cos 60. Summary. In this session, you learned transformation of product of two trigonometric functions as sum or difference of two trigonometric functions, which sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b equals to, we already know, that is 2 sin a cos b. Next, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b equals to, we already know, 2 cos a sin b. And cos of alpha plus beta plus cos of alpha minus beta. So here in place of ab we wrote alpha beta. So answer is 2 cos alpha cos beta. And cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b equals to what? So here the answer is 2 sin a sin b. Previous exams questions and assignment. Prove that cos a plus cos of 120 plus a plus cos of 120 minus a equals to 0. And sin of a plus sin of 120 plus a minus sin of 120 minus a equals to 0. Cos 10, cos 50, cos 70 equals to root 3 by 8. Cos 20, cos 30, cos 40, cos 80 equals to root 3 by 16. And cos 6 degrees, cos 42 degrees, cos 66 degrees, cos 78 degrees equals to 1 by 16. And sin 6 degrees, sin 42 degrees, sin 66 degrees, sin 78 degrees equals to 1 by 16. So see here, I am saying you, if you listen any PPT video, first do one thing. Before watching video, first you open the PPT in a mobile or laptop, and in another mobile you open the video, because if the screen clarity may miss in a video, so you can see the PPT and listen the video, then you will have good understand of the topic or problem or subject or formula, whatever it may be. Because sometimes in a video the screen may be not clear visible. So if you have a PPT, then you can, by my voice, you can easily catch the point and you can understand. So have a nice day.